Hey guys, so now we're in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and we're about to go to Ruby Falls. There's like a tavern and like caves down there with waterfalls. We're gonna check that out. And then after we'll do some zip lining. So I've never zip lined before, so that should be fun. But we're gonna check out the waterfalls and the caves first.
I'll show you what that is. Don't go today. Yes. Alright, if you did. My name is Cooper. If you did not, you did before. My name is Lee.
Alright, so how Ruby Falls was discovered was by a man named Leo Lambert, who was a local cave enthusiast that knew about the Lookout Mountain Cave and its rich history, which was actually shut down, so it was his dream to reopen it to the public. So he made this plan to drill an elevator shaft from the top of the mountain down, and while he was digging, he found this opening, which is what you're seeing here, this small little opening, and 260 feet down, which is where we're walking and where the elevator shaft brings you today. And after crawling for 6 hours through that little gap, he found the point where he could stand, and that's where we're walking, this path, because they haven't actually dug out anything. Like, this is just the path that was formed from like the water and the opening, however it formed. And after walking through it, he found many unusual rock formations like stalactites, stalagmites, and after following the passage and seeing several streams, he finally made it to the waterfall, which is actually the main attraction of Ruby Falls, and he named it after his wife, Ruby. So that's how Ruby Falls was found and how it got its name. So, yeah.
Hey guys, so we made it through the caves and we just reached the waterfall. It's crazy. They have like the lights and it lights it up. It's really cool. Okay guys, so the caves, that was pretty cool, waterfall. We're heading up to the zip line now. And yeah, first time zip lining. We'll see how it goes. It's all the way up in the top of the trees. Where are we? Hey guys, about to go zip lining. There we go, guys. Hey guys, back at it. Hey guys, so that's the end of Ruby Falls. We just did the zip line. And then this is on top of the castle. They actually made it out of the limestone that they dug up from the elevator shaft. You can see all of Chattanooga from here. So yeah, good view.
Okay, guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. See ya.